Stop wasting hours trying to arrange references manually. If you are a student and your assignment needs references, here is a simple trick that can save you time and help your work look more academic. Instead of typing everything by yourself, go to a free citation generator like Scribbr, ZoteroBib, or MyBib. Copy the titles, then paste it into the citation tool. Next, choose the referencing style your lecturer asked for. It could be A or Chicago. The tool will automatically create the full reference for you. All you have to do is copy it and paste it under the reference list section of your assignment. This helps you avoid formatting mistakes, saves time, and makes your work look more organized and professional. You can also use Google Scholar. Go to Google Scholar, search the topic you want to cite, then look under the article and click the Cite button. A list of citation styles will appear. Choose the one your school requires, copy it, and paste it into your reference list. But remember, always check that the citation style matches your lecturer's instructions, because different schools may require different formats. So students, do not struggle with references again. Use a citation generator or Google Scholar. It is simple, fast, and can save you from unnecessary stress when working on your assignments.